Hey everyone, welcome back to the Auto Luxury channel. In the golden era of American automotive design, one name stood tall above the rest: Cadillac. And in 1963, they delivered a rolling masterpiece that defined luxury, presence, and style, the Cadillac DeVille. In today's video, we're diving deep into this iconic cruiser's stunning exterior, plush interior, and powerful performance. Let's take a ride back in time. Exterior. The 1963 Cadillac DeVille wasn't just a car, it was a statement. With sharp, clean lines and Cadillac's signature tailfins, now more restrained than in previous years, it struck a perfect balance between bold and refined. Cadillac had begun transitioning away from the exaggerated fins of the 50s, and in '63, the DeVille carried that evolution with grace. Up front, the wide, squared-off chrome grille was flanked by stacked dual headlights, an elegant and futuristic design choice for the era. From bumper to bumper, chrome trim outlines every edge, window, and fender. From the rear, those blade-shaped taillights tucked neatly into the fins gave it unmistakable Cadillac DNA. Fender skirts covered the rear wheels for a smooth silhouette, and the sheer size of the DeVille, over 18 feet long, made it the king of the boulevard. Interior. Step inside, and you're greeted by Cadillac's vision of American luxury in the early '60s. Plush, wide bench seats, finished in leather or brocade cloth, with plenty of chrome accents throughout the cabin. The dashboard was a symmetrical, aircraft-inspired design, packed with features like a ribbon speedometer, automatic climate control, yes, in 1963, and a Wonder Bar AM radio with optional power antenna. The two-spoke steering wheel featured the Cadillac crest front and center, a subtle reminder of the prestige you're piloting. Space was never a question. The rear seat was limo-like, with more than enough legroom to stretch out. Add in the soft suspension and whisper quiet ride, and the DeVille felt like a living room on wheels. Performance. Under the hood, the '63 DeVille came equipped with a massive 390 cubic inch V8 engine, producing 325 horsepower. It was mated to Cadillac's smooth shifting 4-speed Hydra-Matic automatic transmission. This wasn't a sports car, but it had effortless cruising power. Acceleration was smooth, and highway speeds were reached with minimal drama. The ride. Floaty and serene, thanks to Cadillac's coil spring suspension and meticulous sound insulation. Braking was handled by large drum brakes all around, typical for the era, and while handling wasn't razor sharp, this car wasn't made for corner carving. It was built to glide. The 1963 Cadillac DeVille represents a pivotal moment in Cadillac's history, where elegance matured, technology advanced, and style took on a sleeker, more refined form. It's a symbol of post-war prosperity, automotive design excellence, and the golden age of American luxury. So whether you're a collector, a fan of classic Americana, or just someone who appreciates beautiful design, the '63 DeVille is an icon worth remembering and driving. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this ride through Cadillac history, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What's your favorite classic Cadillac? Until next time, keep it classic.